This boy decided to sneeze prank his daughter. He acts like sneezing, but then sprays her with a bottle, and the daughter is so disgusted. But when he attempts the same once again, his daughter notices, so he quickly halts the plan. When the girl turns around, the goofy boy sneezes on her, but when she lets it slide, he keeps sneezing on her again and again. She doesn't even get angry and seems to actually enjoy it, and the man just couldn't control his laughter. So he decides to prank her with a fake tongue, but even when it falls on her table, she doesn't react much and just pushes it away.